Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Syahvania Mafilahijra. I'm the moderator of Group 3. In this video, we'll present the finding of our muscular system discussion. But first, I will introduce the member of our group. Agrinabila Ibnata, Cholifatuz, Ikha Anggun Pramesti, Nabila Najwa Rifanti, Khairunnisa, Selene Jessenia, and me, Syahvania Mafilahijra. Because you already know the names of our members, in the next video, my friend will explain material about the muscular system. Have a great watching it.
I want to presentation the muscular system. The muscular system is made up of about different muscles that cover internal organs and bones. Muscle is a tissue in the human and animal bodies that function as an active locomotion tool that moves bones.
The muscular system has two main functions. Number one, it allows your body to move. Number two, it assists in the functioning of your internal organs. For example, muscle around your digestive system help food move through your body. And also the muscular system function is mobility, circulation, respiration, digestion, urination, childbirth, vision, stability, and control posture.
Thank you to the moderator. I will explain about muscle can be either voluntary, involuntary, or both. The one is voluntary muscle. A voluntary muscle is a muscle that is under a person's conscious control. It contracts and relaxes when the person tells it to. And the two is involuntary muscle. An involuntary muscle contracts and relaxes naturally without a person having to think about it. The brain is constantly sending signals to this muscle to direct them to their work, whether a person is asleep or awake.
Now I will explain about three major types of muscles. The first, there is skeletal muscles. Skeletal muscles is a muscle located in the human skeleton, which function to move the human skeleton. Skeletal muscles are located in the human skeleton, chest, abdomen, and arms. The characteristic of skeletal muscles: first, have many cell nucleus. Second, shape like along it are cylindrical fine fibers. 3. Looks like stripe with dark and light colors, so it is called striated. 4. Works with awareness and brain command, so called conscious muscles. Second, there is smooth muscles. Smooth muscles is a muscle whose movement is controlled by involuntary nerves. Smooth muscles is located in the intestines, blood vessels, and uterus. The characteristics of smooth muscles are: first, has one cell in the middle. Second, in the form of a spiral with both point ends. 3. Doesn't have a transfer line, so it is called plain. 4. Work outside of consciousness and doesn't work on the command of the brain, also called involuntary muscles. The 3, there is cardiac muscles. Cardiac muscle is a special muscle because it is only found in the heart. The characteristic of the cardiac muscles: first, has many cell nucleus in the middle. Second, cell fibers are elongate, cylindrical, and branch and fuse. 3. The contractions are strong and rhythmic. 4. Working out of consciousness. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for the moderator. Here, I will explain what are the parts of the muscular system. For the first is pectoral muscle. This muscle at the front of the chest assists in the movement of the upper arms. There are two muscles in pectoral, namely major and minor. Major. This main function of this muscle as a whole is the adduction and internal rotation of the arm on the shoulder joint. Minor stabilizes the scapula by drawing it anterolaterally against the thoracic wall. Second, deltoid muscle. This main muscle of the shoulders. An important function of deltoid muscle is the prevention of subluxation or even dislocation of the head of the humerus, particularly when carrying a load. Third, trapezius muscle. Help you move your head, neck, arms, shoulders, and torso. Fourth, biceps. Biceps are the large muscle of the front of the upper arms. Primary function of the biceps is flexion of the elbow and supination of the forearm. Fifth, triceps. Triceps are the large muscle on the back of the upper arm. It's the opposite with biceps. It helps in extension of the elbow joint and also acts as an antagonist of the biceps and brachialis. I think that's all for me. I will give the time back for the moderator.
Thank you for moderator. Today I want to explain about abdominal, quadriceps, and hamstring. The first one is abdominal. This core muscle support the trunk, assist in movement, and hold internal organ in place. The second is quadriceps. These are the large leg muscle located at the front of the hip used in standing, walking, and running. They also help stabilize the kneecap. And the last is hamstrings. The hamstrings are the muscle at the back of the upper leg. They help the upper leg to extend and the knee to flex.
What an amazing explanation from my friends. We can conclude. The muscular system is made up of about 600 different muscles that cover internal organs and bones. The muscular system has two main functions. First is allow your body to move, and it adds it in the function to your internal organs. Muscle can be either voluntary, involuntary, or both. There are three major types of muscle. First is skeletal muscle, smooth muscle, and cardiac muscle. They are some of the major parts of the muscular system. It's pectoral, deltoid, trapezius, bicep, tricep, abdominal, quadricep, and hamstring. Okay, that's all we have to say about it. Sorry for our mistake, and thank you for watching. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Goodbye.